Look at this beautiful gift box. What do you think we need to open it? Scissors, a hammer, a paintbrush, or a magic wand?
Yay!
Scissors help us open a gift.
Yay!
Now let's go play and solve more fun puzzles together. Oh no, my hands are all muddy. What do I need to clean them? A soap, a cookie, a paintbrush, or a kite? What do you think?
Yay!
Yes!
Yay!
Soap helps us clean our hands.
Yay!
I'm so thirsty. What do I need? A glass of water, a shoe, a book, or a balloon? What do you think? That's right.
Yay!
Water helps us when we're thirsty.
Yay!
Uh-oh, it's raining. What do we need to stay dry? An umbrella, ice cream, a phone, or a guitar? What do you think? Yes!
Yay!
An umbrella keeps us dry in the rain.
Yay!
It's so dark in here. What do we need to see? A light bulb, an apple, a sock, or a ball? What do you think?
Yay!
Yes! A light helps us see in the dark. My tummy is rumbling. What do I need when I'm hungry? An apple? A chair? A cap? Or a pencil? What do you think? That's right!
Yay!
Food helps us when we're hungry.
Yay!
The door won't open. What do we need to unlock it? A flower? A bedsheet? A fan? Or a key? What do you think? What do we need to unlock it?
Yay!
We need a key to open the lock.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
We solved it all! Let's celebrate! See you soon on Teeny Toons TV. Bye-bye!